Hello, BIO178. In this module, we will be focusing on two specific components of our group research poster. And those two components are the study sites and the methods sections. So I'm breaking it up like this because I'm trying to do the same type of thing we did for our research proposals. So that research proposal is a big project, right? And what we did is break it up into different sections throughout the semester. So I'm trying to do that same thing here with our final group project poster that you are now creating. I'm breaking it down and giving you some instructions and directions, examples for different individual sections of that poster to help you build towards that final end product. And in particular, I've chosen to start with the study sites and method sections because those are the most logical place to start. So by starting with these sections, what you'll do is first familiarize yourself with your data set. So make sure you look at those project-specific data pages I've created for each of your groups on Canvas. That specific page contains not only the data for your group, but also some background in terms of supplemental methods or things like that you will need to make sure you understand for your project to create these different sections. And so by starting with these sections, we'll ease our way into the project by creating the method section in particular. We'll think about how we're actually going to analyze the data, which is the first thing we need to figure out. And then from here, we can move on in the next sections, the next modules that I will create. We'll talk about the results and conclusion section. But here in this module, we're starting with study sites and methods. So what I have in this module for you, I have some explanatory videos to describe each of those different sections. And one important thing to note is that I do have assignments within this module for your group to turn in draft sections of your study sites and method section. Those are optional. So I decided to make them optional because we have a relatively short timeline, and I know from speaking with some of you, you have a lot of different group projects going on right now. And so I highly recommend, if possible, for your group to turn in drafts of these sections. They're not graded at all. So they're 100% optional, so it's not graded. The sole purpose of these draft sections is for me to be able to give you feedback on those sections before you turn in the final version of your poster, so I can help answer any questions you might have and give you some guidance to make sure you're on the right track. So these assignments are 100% optional. I do highly recommend that your group does turn them in. So it's one assignment per group. So have someone in your group, depending on how you've decided to break it up, or you can all work on it together. But each group, if you want, will turn in a draft of your study sites and methods section, and I will provide feedback on that for you. So if you have any questions about this module or what you should be doing, please reach out, let me know through email. You can post on a discussion board. I will get back to you however you decide to contact me. But hopefully this is a nice way for you to ease into your project and we can get going and doing some of this exciting analysis with your brand new data sets that you will analyze using all of these skills we've been building throughout this whole semester here in BIO178. So I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.